Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter account on your Twitter. We will just go here on settings and we come here to settings window and we just go down, then we click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we just go down and we're looking for a Twitter app and we just go down, then we click here on Twitter and we come here to this is window or next window. We click here on for stop, then we click here on OK, then we just go down, we click here on storage, then we click here on clear cache and we click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.